Hello everyone, Alos GTX here, and today we're going to do an unboxing review of the Spartan MK V from the Spartan collection. Alright, let's get into the unboxing. Since we got the unboxing out of the way, let's take a closer look at the figure. This figure comes with 5 detachable hands, 7 including the 2 that are attached. Comes with 2 accessories, a sniper and a handgun. As we take a little look at the figure, you can see that this Spartan is running an orange and purple color scheme for the armor. And if you look closely, you can see silver streaks representing exposed metal, damage that the Spartan received from various battles. As you see me moving this figure around, you can really tell that the articulation on this is really nice and fluid. There's hardly no resistance at all. And I think this will really be good for a stop motion film. Overall, I think this is a great figure. But one con I do have about this, and it might just be me, I wish that they did the coloring a little bit better or a little bit more detailed for the armor. And also, this might be just on my end. The sniper is kind of bent ass shape. It's actually really bent ass shape. The pistol, the handgun, is slightly bent, but it's not as bad as the sniper is. Thank you guys for watching my little short review on this. This is actually my first, I guess, unboxing video I ever done. I've seen other YouTubers done it before, but I don't think this will really be an unboxing channel. I really want to repaint this figure, but I felt the need to review it if anybody else wants to get this figure, maybe for their child, or if they want to repaint the figure too. But yeah, I don't think this will become an unboxing channel. I just did this, you know, just because my goal really is just repainting the figure again. But if you do like to see more of this, let me know down in the comments, and have a good one, guys. Peace. As we take a closer look at the figure, you can see that the Spartan is As we take a closer look at the Spartan, you can see that the As we take a closer look at the figure, you can see that the Spartan is